Hi, how are ya? So today we will be doing our very own stylish, fashionable, wearable harness. And just an FYI, this is more like of a process of how I made my harness. So yeah. But anyways, let's get started, shall we? I started off by cutting 4 pieces. 2 pieces were large because they are the ones that are going to go over my shoulder, and the other 2 pieces are small because those are going to go around my waist. And as you see, I basically just conveniently found this ruler and I traced over it and cut the pieces out. I then folded my pieces in half and I sewed the edges. Once I was done sewing them, I used this technique to turn it inside out. That way you wouldn't be able to see the sewed edges. Once I was done with that, I flat ironed my pieces and this is how they look. And now for this part, I basically just aligned my pieces and yeah, I don't really know how to explain this part. I just try to measure and see how far apart I wanted them. Everything you see me do here is what got me to my final result. Then I got some pins to hold my pieces together as I sew them. And finally, once I was done sewing the front and the back, as you see here, this is the final result we got. I really liked it because I can wear it with pants or with a skirt, and if you would like, you could even sew it to your skirt. That way you'll have like an overall, if you know what I mean. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos coming soon to Kid Slay. And well, bye-bye.